Bingo. Yeah, so I know I've kind of been a bit fuzzy now because it's yeah. So we got a new bike trailer. Um, all good. Uh, got two. Uh, one supposed to be from Christmas and one supposed to be from my birthday. Because since Christmas is gone on 25th, my birthday's coming on 4th. So I do it that way because it's gonna, yeah. So one trailer is supposed to be from Christmas, one from my birthday, but they're exactly the same. You see on that image, you can see on like one of the edges is already dented. I think it's either they dented that when it got packaged in, where they got it from, or I done that by bringing it out. I don't know. But I used it anyway, so I thought I don't mind about that dent because it's going to get dented and scratched anyway. What I got them off, I got it off two blokes. Where I went to Doncaster and out a company out where moving trucks and trailers from one little yard to another, to a bigger yard. Now I think they moved again now, somewhere. I don't know if they're still in Doncaster, I don't know. But I think they moved now. And they were renting out this small yard to another company. And I helped him out because the blokes coming up to Corona, they shut the business down a bit, stopped the workers from coming in for a bit, quite a while. See if I can move it up. I reckon it'll be better. Just a little. No. These two blokes had cancer in their legs. One had cancer in their left leg, and the other bloke had cancer in his right leg. And they sent all their workers home for a bit, and it got to one stage where they wanted to move some lorries, some manual lorries, to one yard to the other, and they couldn't do it because they had cancer in their one leg, and they had to cut their legs off, one leg off each person. And the first thing they did, they went on Facebook, the first post they seen, they went, anybody helping hand. They just put helping hand on Facebook. First thing what popped up with me. Clicked on me and said, hang on, you know my son who died not long ago. I said, hey. He died when you were at college. When you were at college, you went to college in a different school. You were at a different college. I went, hey, Nathan. They went, oh, yeah. He said you took it. Yeah, you had his shirt and his jacket, not scanty. That's what sent me wearing. Yeah. I said, you still got his shirts and jacket? I said, I don't know about the shirt, but I still got the jacket. He said, alright, yeah. Fancy helping me out? I said, yeah. It might take a week or two. You don't have to rush it. It's only because I sent my workers home, and none of them they're all refusing to come back to work because they're scared of the corona. And I went, yeah, I can help you. Said, I know where you live because you went out with my daughter for 2 weeks, and then she cheated on you, and then I said, oh yeah. I said, yeah. I said, yeah, I can help you. So right, but I'm passing you out in the next 10 minutes. So I thought, so that'd be good because I'm just passing you when I searched. So I just put in helping hand on Facebook and I found you, Monk. I went, no, that's good. I said, lucky enough, I still got your number, Monk, because that was the next thing I would have done is check through my phone. And I thought you were as A-Man Stone. I said, uh, so I helped him out for 2 weeks. With drivers and lorries. Some were trailers. Some had really full loads. The one trailer it was an overload. And thank God he's in. I went, is this an overload? So I said, it might be, yeah. So I left out in front of their yard. So that was their small yard and their yard's big, like that big. So I drove it out their yard and went, I know, I'll go down this road, turn round, come back, but just park right minute, not so far down the road. And got all your lorries to one yard to the other. And that's why they made me a cert. They made me that my bit wash. And that's why they made me, yeah. You got me this jacket. What did they put on it? Mark Stone Limited. Let me just do it like this. This says call up my phone number. Yeah. Mark Stone Limited. It's only because it didn't like scrap metal, wood, and helping hand. Yeah, that I do stuff for scrap metal, scrap wood, and helping hand. You meaning there's any jobs out there again that's hand. Just whilst I'm looking for a part-time or full-time job. You know what I do for another living is YouTube. And that way. So one bloke bought one trailer, the other bloke bought the other trailer. And every time, yeah, so, hey Mark, do you know where such and such is? Yeah, because they got, normally, one's got one missing right leg, one's got missing left leg. And I said, yeah, you take, and I say their names going left and right, but, yeah, I said, blah blah blah, you go straight ahead, and you turn, instead of saying left, I say their names. And then you go straight ahead and turn right. But instead of saying it right, I say their name and said, because they're missing a right leg, so right, you have to go that way. So really. There you go. And they know this, I'm saying that as a laugh. Because you've got to have a laugh. I don't say it all every time I say it. Yeah. But then when I say let's go, I normally go let go, leg go, let's go, legs go. Listen. And they go, Mark, if you say one more joke about legs, my leg and his leg, I'm gonna get this fish and throw it up your ass. I said, only if you catch me, so let's go. Let's bring it. And they go. So I said, right, I'm gonna come and get you. I said, right. And I went, so just tell what lads, I said, bring a table over here. I said, why? Brought table over here, and then someone just walked past with a kettle and said, excuse me, can you bring that kettle over here? So I was just making fun of it. I just made myself a cup of tea. I went, what, you take it piss? I went, I thought you said you're coming to get me. I said, oh, I know that we might, you're going to make a cup of tea because you still take it big. He said, yeah. And then that's how far I go, you see, because I don't want to go way too much. Knowing me, you met me, I probably go like a bit too far, but I didn't go too far. I said I do it every every, say one load of jokes, say round of jokes in about, I say that once every so many months, or say something similar. I don't do it all the time when I see him, and it'll go So yeah, I got about 300 quid foot job, moving some knowledge from yard to other trailers, pallets, forklifts, all sorts. And yeah, sadly the son died of cancer. I did a video about a lad died. I didn't say his name anyway. And I had a guy boy out of him. Oh, that's in corner. I got it buried. So so that's where I got traded from. And what I done, I fetched some compressors. I fetched a compressor out of a fridge. Tested it bike. Went out. It's in the fridge. Took it apart and that went. I say you. I'll show you. I don't got the video when I was taking it apart, but I show you that what I collected. And I took the I haven't got a photo or a video, but I took the cells, like the metal cells inside. I got them. What I'm gonna have to do is take it Allen key off of that. Take Allen key out of that one. Allen key out of that one.